Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Okay, now in this particular video, we're just going to be breaking down the SMC Forex Trading Strategy. It's a powerful framework that helps you trade in line with how the market really moves. Okay, now Smart Money Concept, or SMC, shifts the focus away from indicators and onto price action itself. The goal is to understand what institutions are doing because they are the ones who truly move the market. By learning to spot their footprints through structure, liquidity, and order blocks, you can align your trades with the flow of smart money. Now, the first part of this strategy is market structure. All right, in Forex, structure tells you everything about the current trend. Are we in a bullish market with higher highs and higher lows? Right, with higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs and higher lows tells you that you're in a bullish market. Or are we having lower highs and lower lows? That shows a bearish market. So first of all, you should identify the market structure. Okay. A break of structure often signals a potential shift in direction. And that is why identifying structure on multiple time frames is essential when applying smart money concepts. Now, the second part is liquidity. Okay, the market moves to seek liquidity, which is found above highs and below lows, where stop losses and pending orders sit. Okay, so price often sweeps these areas before making its true move. As a trader, recognizing these liquidity sweeps allows you to avoid false breakouts and instead position yourself after liquidity has been taken. Okay, the next thing now we're going to look at is order block, right? Order blocks. In case if you didn't grab the liquidity part properly, liquidity are areas below lows. What do we mean by below lows? We have swing lows like this, right? Swing lows. So most likely when price, let's just use support as an example. When price is testing a support zone, it's swing lows that test support zones, right? If you buy around the support, you will likely set your stop loss below that support. So smart money sometimes grabs liquidity by hitting traders' stop losses. Once price hits the stop loss, it will reverse back. So in that case, they have grabbed liquidity. So you have to understand the concept of liquidity grabs so that you do not fall victim. Okay. Now, other blocks are areas where institutions enter the market, creating strong impulsive moves. For example, a bullish order block is often the last bearish candle before price rallies, while while a bearish order block is the last bullish candle before price drops. So now in this case, we had lower highs, lower lows. So you can see here that price, this is a break of structure that we had here. Price broke below this. So we're going to be looking out for, we're looking out for the last bullish candle before that break of structure happened. In that case, you're going to have a bearish order block. If it is a bullish trend where you have higher highs and higher lows, you're going to be looking out for, in this case now we had a break of structure around here, right? So it means you're going to be looking out for the last bearish candle before that break of structure happened. Then that gives you your bullish order block. Okay, so by marking these zones, you identify where smart money is likely to re-enter the market. But here's the key: confirmation. All right, confirmation is always key. It's not enough to simply spot an order block or a liquidity sweep. Okay, you need confirmation before entering, and this could be a shift in structure on lower time frame, or maybe a liquidity grab, or a clear rejection from your zone. Confirmation keeps your trading structured and prevents you from entering trades too early. All right. Now, let us put this all together. into a simple framework for the SMC Forex Trading Strategy. First of all, you have to start by analyzing higher time frame structure to understand overall direction. Perhaps you can go to the 4-hour chart, maybe the daily chart, right? As your higher time frame, it depends on what you decide to use as your higher time frame, whether you're using 4-hour or daily. So once you have identified the prevailing structure on the 4-hour, if you are using 4-hour as your higher time frame, then you can, also, okay, before you go down to a lower time frame, identify your liquidity zones. Okay, above highs, below lows, where price is likely to sweep. Then you can even mark your other blocks on your higher time frame. Then you can also go down to a lower time frame to still mark other blocks. Perhaps some other blocks will correspond. You might find an order block on a lower time frame that is within an order block on a higher time frame. All right. So you mark your order blocks, most especially on the time frame that you want to execute your trades on. Okay, so you have to go down to your lower time frame to go and mark your order blocks. Or you can also mark it on higher time frame in order to get some confirmations as well. Okay, so you just wait for price to return to your zone. Okay, look for confirmation signals before entering your trade. Then you execute with discipline, following your plan. This approach is powerful because it gives you a structured roadmap, and instead of reacting emotionally to every candle, you are trading with purpose, using the same principles that institutions rely on. All right. Now, to recap, the SMC Forex Trading Strategy is built on 4 pillars, which are structure, liquidity. All right. Remember that they're built on 4 pillars: structure, liquidity, order blocks, and confirmation. All right. So by combining these elements, you build a complete system for reading and trading the Forex market logically. But like every other strategy out there, no strategy guarantees 100% profit. So you must observe good risk management. It is essential for you to be a profitable trader. Okay, it is very, very essential. So if this video gave you some value, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel as well. Turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on more valuable content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.